This video is brought to you by Cybersalt's Joomla training cohort. Learn to do Joomla the way Cybersalt does Joomla. And mysites.guru. Do you have a Joomla site? Of course you do. Get a free site audit at mysites.guru. Congratulations, you're ready to push your test Joomla 4 migration live, replacing your Joomla 3 site, making your Joomla 4 test site the live site. Here's how to do that. In the back end of your migration test site, go to Components, MigrateMe 4, and then you're going to, don't do it yet though, you're going to click here to go live. Now, first of all, I recommend always have a backup of your website, your live site, tucked away somewhere off of your server or out of the root folder of your Joomla install for your live site, just in case something happens, because anything can happen at any time when you're doing things, and so you don't want to lose your live site or get it all messed up. It's just too easy to restore it from that backup. But also in MigrateMe 4, there is a backup system that will back up your live site as well. And in case something goes wrong, or heaven forbid you get into your site is live and you realize, oh no, I totally forgot. I want to go back. I wish I could have changed something. Then you can restore. And so before you go live, go up here and click on Configuration in MigrateMe 4 in your test migration area. Make sure that backups is enabled. Now it's on by default, but make sure just in case you changed it a while ago. Save config, and now when you go live, MigrateMe 4 is going to make a backup of your Joomla 3 site.
A few moments later.
And after that backup has been completed, it's going to push your site to live. Now, your new system is live. The next thing you'll do here is click on Log into the admin. This is for the live site. Where your Joomla 3 site used to be, this will now be your Joomla 4 site. Check it out. Log into the admin. Notice in the URL up here, there is no MM4. This is now live. And if I take out, I could log in. Still using the old login, of course. And there's the Joomla 4 site, and I can even go and view it. And now the live site is live. Now remember, if something happened and you thought, oh, I totally forgot to do something and you need to restore it, here's what you do. You have to go into the old test area, which is still there. So that's /mm4/administrator. Have to log into there because now we're in a totally different Joomla site. Go to Components, go to MigrateMe 4, and now you'll notice up in the top right corner it says Backups. You can now click on Backups and then go and you can restore the previous live site, which was Joomla 3. Let's just do that right now.
A few moments later.
And there we go. So now we can go back to the home page here of your which was your Joomla 4 site. Here, no MM4 in the URL. We hit refresh and the Joomla 3 site is back, and then you can fix whatever it is what you missed. So make sure you have a backup outside of the tool that's used in MigrateMe 4, but also use the backup feature in MigrateMe 4, because if something happens or if you've missed something, you can quickly go back to your Joomla 3 site as the live site. Subscribe for more videos. Until the next time, enjoy your Joomla sites, and God bless.